Good morning, everyone. US stocks charged higher on Monday. Dow Jones rose by 118 points to close at 10,186 at closing bell. The markets gained strength due to a positive note on the US manufacturing activities. The European stocks shore off early losses to close higher. The Asian markets are trading higher today. China's Shanghai Composite was up by 1.18% at the opening at 2,978 points. Hong Kong's Hang Seng was up 245.65 points at 20,489.40 points. And Japan's Nikkei gained 1.88% at 10,396.48 points. The emerging markets would be facing a massive inflow of capital due to assumptions that the nominally developed economies are safer places to invest in by the Greece economy, as well as due to the crisis in Iceland. Today, moving back to the Indian markets, we expect a positive start. However, we just need to wait and watch to see if the equities are able to maintain the momentum. The stocks in news are Aurobindo Pharma, which has a buy at 892 with the target price of 940, and we need to maintain a stop loss of 880. Jet Airways, which has a buy at 508, and the target is 550 with a stop loss of 495. Moving to the derivative side, we have advice from research to go long on SAIL February futures at 214 for target price of 225 and a stop loss of 210. Long on Ranbaxy at 459 for a target price of 485 and a stop loss of 452. As per the World Bank, India is expected to grow at 7.5% in the next fiscal, wherein the current fiscal is estimated at a modest 6%. The FIIs were not sellers in the cash segment at 4.94 billion. The provisional funds were net buyers at 1.99 billion. In the F&O segment, the foreign funds were net buyers at 7.37 billion. It is believed that the recent shaky events will turn out to be manageable.